Hello, Anshu Sharma here. Welcome and my love to all of you. Recently, M-class solar flare from a sunspot region took place. 925 days. That is the amount of time we had to wait since we last saw an M-class solar flare on the sun. It is too early to decide whether we have passed the solar minimum or not. An increase in solar activity reflects an increase in cosmic activity. What happens outside also happens within. New ideas, insights, activations are happening in our consciousness. It has been many days consecutively and otherwise since Schumann resonance is speaking. Powerful gamma rays have been hitting planet Earth and are expected to continue. 3 days prior and after full moon, we are in the moon portal. Currently, we are amidst full moon and eclipse portal. We can expect massive emotional purging and clearing on full moon days. When full moon accompanies an eclipse, the energies become even more intense. An increase in energy, dreams, body sensations, insights, and downloads are being felt by many. Vivid dreams indicate an increase in telepathy. Our sensitivities and intuition heighten. If we stay light and avoid heavy food and activities, it is a time of great revelation where we can jump timelines. Please free yourself to meditate and reflect. Reflect on what is happening in your life. Be mindful of the connections you would like to change, deepen, or manifest in all areas of your life. It is also a great time to be mindful of our reactions. There can be many reasons of reactions. Let us study a few. There may be many reasons underneath our sudden outbursts, conflicts, and reactions. If we do not get caught up in blame and judgment of others, we can reflect and unearth the main cause within. The cause may be we are not accepting of others' nature. Other person is living his life as per his nature, which we have to accept first before we can do anything about it. We are expecting another person to change. We are lazy and not willing to take a look at our situation and see the dynamics underneath. Even if we see the dynamics, sometimes we are not willing to do the work. We are not willing to take the responsibility. It suits us to let the situation be, and that's what we do sometimes. If we let the situation be, it will remain as it is. It entails both the negative and the positive. To deal with the situation and the negativity it is bringing, we have to take responsibility and we have to do the work. We may be either controlling or suppressing. In control, anger, rage, and irritation is expressed outwardly, while pain, hurt, and suffering are experienced within. In suppression, hurt, pain, suffering, is experienced within, and over time, if not dealt with, these emotions may transform into anger, control, manipulation, revenge, and remorse. Then we may think it is only happening to me. We may fall into I consciousness. A pattern of habitual reaction sets in. When we become habitual of projecting the issue outside, instead of taking time in thinking and working on the issue within. This pattern has to be recognized. This does not help as the issue remains in the subconscious mind. There is blame and judgment in outer projection. In guilt, we blame ourselves. Reaction arises when we are unable to detach ourselves because we confuse attachment for love. Presence of negative emotions during reactions indicate we are attached. In attachment, there is no freedom and there is no love. Lack of self-protection, unable to stand for oneself, and lack of courage may also be a few reasons why we come into a reaction. Then we all need loving and non-judgmental support. Absence of loving and non-judgmental support can also cause reactions. Having that support at our back, we can activate warrior template. This support can be physical or non-physical. We can consciously create non-physical support to manifest in our reality. To manifest loving support in physicality, we keep pouring love, respect, gratitude, trust, and faith in non-physical support. And if we keep doing it, then one day non-physical support will manifest in our reality. We fall into reactions because we do not understand the law of balancing. Law of balancing is not understood. And if law of balancing is not understood, reactions and emotions will persist and we cease self-effort prematurely. When we are becoming free from emotions and we become assertive in communication, we know we are closer to arriving at our 0 point. Frequencies of emotions such as anger, irritation, hurt, withdrawal, non-cooperation, non-communication, rage, etc. start to minimize. If you are reacting with emotions, study the reasons of reactions that we just discussed and see the areas of your lack. Study the emotions you are feeling. Then continue to work and have a willingness to work till you become assertive in self-love. You can become assertive in anger, irritation, hurt, and pain also. But it means emotions are still there. More work is required till we learn to become assertive in self love. You will know balancing is nearly complete when assertion comes with self love and there is no emotion involved. You neither give or take pain. You neither give or accept control and suppression. You start feeling empowered. You feel self love and you feel self respect. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your kind support and love. I love you all. Lots of love and light to you.